Oh, this week we're talking about sleep, how much you need and how to get it.
We also asked what you wanted to know, and boy, did many of you have questions. Here's Brandy Smith.
Yeah, the number one thing people wanted to know about is snoring and sleep apnea. So I'm tackling this topic with the help of Dr. Rizwana Sultana from UTMB. So we're gonna start with this question from Brandon. He wants to know, why is it that no matter the length of time someone sleeps consistently, they never feel rested?
The very main reason for somebody not having restorative sleep is if they have sleep apnea.
Sharon asked for other symptoms of sleep apnea, so you know to go to a doctor.
Snoring, waking up during sleep. Other is gasping for air.
Faisal asked about EPAP devices compared to the traditional CPAP or BiPAP therapy. Dr. Sultana has another tip.
We also have a device called APAP. It's an automatic PAP device. It monitors the breathing throughout the night and it delivers the pressure you need.
Surgery can also be an option, and David wondered if it works and stays working.
It can only help 30 to 50% patients, and the sleep apnea can come back afterwards.
You had so many more questions for Dr. Sultana, and I asked them for you. You can watch her full Q&A on khou.com. Standing for Houston, Brandy Smith, KHOU 11 News.